Okay, so the inner safety lever is passenger side. We pulled the inner safety lever. You can see there's now a gap here, bit of a gap, just enough to get your fingers underneath. Right, so above the badge, the Jaguar badge, underneath the bonnet, you can get down on your hands and knees to look at this. I don't know if we'll be able to see anything, but there's a lever under here, and it's attached to the bonnet. So there you see it's attached to the bonnet, sometimes attached to the car, and your fingers are trying to do this. There's an automatic strut which makes life just a little bit simpler on both sides. So check your windscreen wash, water, oil, just check your jobs. Anyway, when you come to close the bonnet, make sure you put all the caps back, you've left no tools lying around, and the official way, which always seems to be